Hi, welcome to new data science project, image editor application using Tkinter and OpenCV. In this project, we'll be creating an image editor application using Tkinter and OpenCV. Tkinter will be used for the graphical user interface, that is GUI, and OpenCV will handle all the image editing. We'll start by looking at the application and seeing how it works. When you open the editor, you can upload an image and then crop it, add text, apply filters, and make other changes, all within the same interface. After uploading the image, you can crop it by selecting the area you want to keep. Once cropped, you can see the updated image on the canvas. You can also add text to the image. Simply type and place the text wherever you want on the image. For drawing, we've included a drawing tool where you can use red by default or pick any other color to draw on the image. The editor includes several filters like black and white, sepia, and negativity. You can apply them instantly with a click of a button. Additionally, there are sliders for fine-tuning the blur, brightness, and saturation levels. Adjusting the sliders will immediately show the effect on the image. You can also rotate or flip the image, and these changes will show up instantly on the canvas. Once you're done editing, you can save your image by clicking the Save Image button. You can choose the file name and format before saving it. We are using Tkinter for creating the interface and OpenCV for handling all the image processing. This combination makes building an image editor simple yet powerful. The roadmap for the project includes learning Tkinter basics first, then building the front end, and finally implementing the filters and advanced features like cropping and drawing. We'll begin by setting up the Tkinter window and adding basic elements like buttons and text fields. Once we've created the layout, we'll add functionality to apply filters to the image using OpenCV. After that, we'll implement more advanced features like cropping, drawing, and applying complex filters. Before starting, we need to install the necessary libraries: NumPy, OpenCV, and Pillow. These are essential for the image processing and GUI components of the application. Once everything is set up, we'll integrate Tkinter and OpenCV so that the user interface and image editing work together seamlessly. Thank you for watching.